Who's it?
Yeah, who's it? Who's tip? OG is it. OG's going top.
OG.
OG on top. Old school.
What's the point of playing this way? What's the point of playing old school?
Go,
you can
go,
jump
go.
higher. Wink, wink. You can jump higher.
Terrible spot, and he left me, but he's probably coming back.
Fuck!
I just fell off the map.
Joey.
Chris is it.
No, it's Joe is it. He went on the wrong team. That's even worse than falling off the map.
Yeah, but Joe got back in. Joe got back in.
No, he didn't.
He did. He didn't
No,
die.
He's dead.
No, he
No,
didn't.
he's gone. He's gone.
I'm not it. Fuck that. It's stupid.
I'll be it
But
next
that's
game. I'll
stupid
be
that
done
I'm
with my
it.
shit.
Yeah, the little J did.
No, you died.
There I
for
am. Look at me, MJ. There I am.
Your body.
No, I'm dabbing. Look at me, dude. It looks like look at my arm. Doesn't it look like it's dabbing? Is that a leg or an arm?
You're
Okay,
not
no, that's
dabbing.
his leg. Okay, now go look at him again. Hold on, go back to him. Seriously, go back to him. Go back to him. All right, now look. You see his head. Now flip his head and put it on the other spot. Now it looks like he's dabbing, doesn't it? Look at his leg and picture that it's an arm. He's dabbing.
What? Chris, I'm going on an adventure.
Hey, look on the other
Whoa,
side.
wait, how'd you do that?
Look on the other side.
Oh!
Oh, what? What? My graduation?
Graduation.
Oh.
Hey, fucker. Hey, that was a pretty decent spot, wasn't it, though, OG? You go ahead and kill me. I'm the only one. I don't give a fuck.
That's it.
Can you knife a headshot?
I feel like kicking PJ just because he's pissing me off.
I mean,
Can I just end this?
Who you were?
honor base, that's honor base. Technically, he just killed him. He knifed him. Honor base.
Alright, game over. Woo!
Stop.
Fine. Alright, hold on, bitch. Alright, ready?
Stop.
Go.
Stop.
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 Literally middle of nowhere.
Well, I'm in the middle of somewhere.
I'm gonna go with you.
I thought we were waiting a minute. That's bullshit.
It's 30.
Probably ordering pizza right now.
The pizza is such a tradition.
This nigga's running around. You don't hear him? I mean, dude. He's loud as fuck.
Who? Joe?
I ain't saying who, but... He's loud as a motherfucker.
Fuck. Hey, chillaxin', little J dude is literally behind you.
Yeah, we're literally on top of each other.
I didn't know Chillaxin was still alive. That's even better. Let's go for Chillaxin then.
See?
I was going for
Dude,
little
if you
J
find
this
one
whole
of
time.
us, if you find one of us.
Why would you give
You
away
find-
my position? I'm seriously, come on guys, you just gave it away. If he kills him because he's a retard.
There's an RPG there. Pick it up.
Then you better run.
Yeah, I'll migrate.
As he stands still.
Oh my God! Finally, dude, you pet. Only
OG.
words they could
OG.
find
What?
at the time.
You gotta say stop.
Stop.
How come you weren't talking just a minute ago, asshole?
I took a peek.
Oh.
I actually found a spot.
Well, I found a spot. Found a spot in Michigan for CJ.
Cool.
CJ's the topic of the day.
I found a grave in Michigan. For
Hey dude, I didn't know your spawn was here. Can I get up and go somewhere?
A random team, no. It just blended in.
Where did you graduate? Oh, they just headed up Brunswick in the gym. That would be so
Yeah,
bad.
right.
I don't know, my screen's all green.
I can't believe little
Weird.
J-Dude's still alive.
Here's why you gave it away, though. You said
Dude,
something
literally,
very obvious and
Hey, guys,
blatant
keep
when I was
talking,
making
keep-
fun of little J
Keep
dude.
talking about the last game for the last 2.5 minutes. Keep going. Keep going. Don't let him get his words in. Keep
Oh,
talking
he
about last
killed me.
game.
I was unconscious, dude. I was
Little
unconscious.
J-Dude, he ran.
Here, I'll give a shot.
I
Like a
watched
shot.
from past you earlier. I am not bullshitting.
Well, there goes my shit.
Hey, that's real. Left foot. There you go.
Doesn't matter, he called in a UAV.
I do see you left.
Did he really call in the UAV?
Yeah, it's bullshit.
You can't call in the UAV. You guys can't
What
do
the
that.
fuck?
Nah, called in a UAV.
You can't call in the UAV.
He wouldn't
Is
have
that why he
found
found
me.
me? Is that why
He
he
You
found
gotta
me?
turn skill streaks off now.
Yeah, turn kill streaks off, MJ. You gotta.
I don't know why they were even on in the
Alright.
first. Host sucks.
You gotta over-exaggerate it when he gets it.
No,
You
this
gotta
is actually a
over-exaggerate.
pretty good map. I mean, there's a lot of places you could go. I'll go to the most
Yeah.
obvious spot that you know I would think no one knows about, but everyone knows about. It says this stuff is corrosive, and then it has a number 8. Is it hydrochloric? No, it would have melted through.
Wow.
Did you hear him laugh at the distance? Did you hear? You hear the breathing in the distance. He's like,
Trust me when I say this. Follow me.
No, trust me.
Oh,
Trust me.
Ace is the place, is the helpful hardware, helpful hardware.
I will give
The
you
place is
right.
an ace is a place. Dude, MJ, I'm sorry.
Alright, well, I'm just gonna be blatantly honest. MJ is like, hold on, let me
Glitching.
find the route. He is glitching! What the fuck? Yep, he looked it up on YouTube. Alright, well, I'll just have you know you'll never find MJ. So, RUN!
You cheating bitch.
How does that happen again? Okay, how does that
Someone
happen
just
again?
cheated and said, RUN! Or I would've killed you and then I would've died.
Wait, is it headshots only?
Yeah.
It is? Because I just knifed him and he died right away.
Yeah, and that's headshots only for guns, you dumbass.
MJ's in a good
How
spot.
the fuck?
Fuck MJ.
How did, what the fuck? How did you get there?
That nigger's
Magic.
anywhere, man. He's like a fucking snake.
It's like a fucking snake. Yeah, bro, because snakes are the one animal that can get anywhere, you know?
Good job, asshole.
Wait.
MJ's
Or what? Yeah.
Shoot MJ, he ain't by you. Nice
Oh.
end towards you.
It's a good feeling when you come back and you're still alive.
Shut up, Nightmare. You buy some fucking shelving with some boxes.
Whoa, dude, come on. I'm not even private, but still. Don't say that
Okay.
stuff, CoD.
Alright.
Dude,
got
he's
1 minute.
an idiot.
Hey, you wanna know where Nightmare is?
Shelves and boxes, bro. Lots of them, bro.
Yeah.
You wanna know where?
What the fuck,
Dude,
MJ? Give me
MJ,
another shot.
Dude, no, dude, you ran past MJ. That's an awesome spot. I wouldn't give it away.
Give it away.
Alright.
Hello, J dude's giving away shots.
Yeah.
Shoot once, he ain't by you.
I see him on the mini-map, he's close enough.
It's close enough.
Dude, he would not see you.
See, I'd like to find MJ spots, because he has a lot of good spots on these maps.
Nightmare's moving.
What the
He's not
fuck?
he's not by boxes anymore.
No, he's just in a
What the
bank-ass
fuck?
building. There ain't nothing in, and he's hiding behind. He's like pulling a little J dude.
Hide in the corner.
Shoot, Nightmare. Shoot everybody. That was awesome, MJ. Yeah.
Yeah.
Where's OG spawn at?
Adjacent too.
Guess nobody's gonna answer me on that one.
Adjacent too. What the fuck does that
How you
mean?
do that, MJ?
Like, chillaxing, no matter what, will get killed after me. Look at him. Not if we do something like that. Whoa! Dude, come on! What the?
Run away!
He's still following him. He's making his presence known. Look. Oh shit!
Focus!
Shoot!
No, no, don't. Oh!
Change guns and shoot. It's a silence.
Oh!
Silence.
You just fucked yourselves.
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh, it's
He's
awesome.
trying to do that.
The fact Chillaxin is still alive right now,
It's because it's headshots only.
the fact Chillaxin survived that will be in my. Oh my gosh.
Wire,
Yeah, will
green
you
car.
send me? It's the same place he was before. Go kill him, OG.
Yeah, he's right there.
He's gone. He's
Run!
OG.
Run!
He's down the middle.
The other
He's
way.
to the left in the back.
There's a bunch of
He's
people.
right
He's in our spot. Your spot.
there.
Other way.
Keep doing it, little
Left,
dude.
left, left.
No, I'm not. Turn left. Turn left. Turn left. Go. All the way back. All the way back. Go. Turn back. Turn back. Turn back. Turn back. Turn back. The farthest you can get in the back of the map. Farthest you can get. Keep going. Keep going. 3, 2, behind the barrels. Ah!
Oh my.
Alright, I'll be it.
Unfortunately, not that.
I was the third guy dead, but I want to be it. Oh, no, not this map. No, I'm not it. I'm not it.
You're it. You're it.
You're right, you said so.
You said
Oh
it,
my
bitch,
god.
Back out.
Oh my god.
No, take
Alright.
back, bro.
No
Fuck you,
backseat.
bro.
I'm backstage, bro.
No tag backs, bro. It's freeze tag. No tag backs, bro. I can't even play tag, bro.
We just fucking play search if we're gonna do this bullshit.
You think it'd be quiet?
Fuck!
How the fuck do you do that?
Dude,
Look at your legs.
it was.
Didn't think of it.
Oh
Look
shit.
at this Gold Desert Eagle. Look at this. Look at this Gold Desert Eagle, bro.
I got OP. Dude, look at this, bro. I got RPG. And
I stunned myself. I fucking stunned myself.
Did you suck, bro?
You suck, bro. You think you suck, bro.
That's something.
Two fair price to one! Come on!
Alright, let's do one game of search, then I get ready to go bed. Two, maybe three.
Maybe two.
I was
Dude, you see that 3-man? Look at that 3-man. Did you see it?
Matt?
I see someone. I saw someone.
I like it when it's the other way, though. What? I'm good hidden. I'm good.
Oh, he's right behind him.
I didn't give shit
Look
away.
at that fine tractor.
He was in front of you.